Ever thought of skyrocketing your product's visibility on Amazon? Well, you're about to discover an incredible service that'll do just that. Picture this. You're an Amazon seller and you've got a fantastic product. You're confident it's going to hit it off with customers, but there's just one problem: visibility. The Amazon marketplace is a crowded space, and standing out can be a daunting task. But here's the good news. Our Amazon product review and promotion services are specifically designed to give your product the spotlight it deserves. Listen to what some of our satisfied clients have to say. Sarah, a proud seller of organic skincare products, shares, "Their services are truly a game changer. My product visibility shot up and so did my sales. I couldn't be happier." Then there's Jack, who sells high-quality kitchen utensils. He says, "My products were lost in the crowd until I discovered their services. Now my sales are better than ever. I highly recommend them." Our services are not just about increasing visibility. They're about building a relationship with your potential customers. Our dedicated team works tirelessly to ensure your product gets the attention it deserves, ultimately leading to increased sales. So, what does our service offer? We provide genuine, high-quality reviews that push your products to the top. We also offer promotional services that put your product right in front of customers. To sum it up, our services offer increased visibility, genuine reviews, and top-notch promotion. The result? A boost in sales and a satisfied seller. That could be you. So why wait? Give your product the visibility it deserves. Reach out to us on WeChat at AzadLaily6 or on Skype at AzadLaily2. It's time to stand out in the crowded Amazon marketplace. Your product deserves it.